Hi folks, today I'm out here doing an ammo test with my Savage Axis in 223. We're going to be shooting 100 yards and kind of get a patterning test on 6 different ammos. And let's go ahead and go over what ammos I brought out. I have Monarch, it's a steel case, 55 grain, full metal jacket. Next I have some WPA Poly Performance, it's also a steel cased, 55 grain full metal jacket. Next up is some PPU. It is a brass cased. It's full metal jacket boat tail at 55 grains. Next up is some Remington UMC. This is also a 55 grain bullet, full metal jacket. Next up is some Monarch with the brass case. This is also a 55 grain full metal jacket. And last but not least today is some Armscor. This is also a 55 grain full metal jacket load. And as I say, we're going to be shooting out here at 100 yards, and so hopefully we'll have some good patterns on some of this ammo. Okay, this was the Remington. I forgot to turn on my deal when I shot. We got about a 3.5 inch group right there. It shot fairly well. So thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day and please subscribe.